The purpose of this video is to learn how to cite a source on a note card. In this example, we're looking at a bibliographic information card, and you can see that I have found some pertinent information about Levi Coffin, the abolitionist who I've decided to study. On the left-hand side of the note card, I've copied and pasted from a database some pertinent information about him. On the right-hand side in the notes section, I've rewritten that information using my own words to summarize what I've learned. Now at the bottom of each and every note card is a source citation section. This is where we give credit where credit is due. It's really important that whenever we do academic research, that we give credit to those who have done the research for us, who we're learning from. In this example, I've gone to a really wonderful source, a reliable source of information, a database. Now in most databases, like this example in Britannica School, you can see that there is a cited information already provided for me. To locate this, you need to search around on the page. Here you can see a check mark, and when I hover my mouse over it, you can see the word cite. When I click it, I have the information that I need right here that I can copy and paste into my note card right in this area. Now, in other databases, you'll find the information oftentimes at the bottom of an article, like in this example. Here's another example from Issues and Controversies in American History. Again, I'm at the bottom of the article and the citation information is provided here. All that I need to do in this case is copy and paste it into my note card. Now, for some of your note cards, in particular the source card, where you're finding relevant and compelling supporting information, you may find a free website like pbs.org or maybe history.com that has some really compelling information that you want to use. That's okay. It doesn't on those websites give you this cited information though. You have to work a little harder, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and support you along the way. If you have a free website or a print book that you want to cite, go to your Chrome web store and search for EasyBib. EasyBib is a wonderful extension that will help you to create bibliographic information for a source, like a free website or a print book. It literally creates the citation for you. It's fabulous. When you found it on the Chrome Web Store, click on the blue Add to Chrome button. Then click the Add Extension button. You'll notice in your toolbar there's a new icon for EasyBib. The next step is to click it and sign in. You can see I've already signed in, so I'll sign out and we'll sign in again if we can. Pretty much impossible. There we go. Now, this is good because you're seeing the example of how it's going to look for you the first time you sign into EasyBib. Since you all have a Google Apps account for school, you can click Sign In with Google, this red button. Your next step is to click the orange New Project button, and you can name the project. We'll call this one Slavery Timeline Project. Then click the orange Create button. All right, now we have a blank bibliography. When we click on the blue bibliography link, we can now start to add different sources that don't have pre-made citations already given to us. So for example, if I have a book that I found from our Media Center and I need to cite it, all that I need to do is click the blue book button And let's say I've been using this book, The Underground Railroad by Anne Heinrich, to learn about Levi Coffin. I can go back to EasyBib and type in the title of the book, and then click Cite It. EasyBib is going to search for all the books that it has in its database by that title. There's a number of them, so I have to scroll through and find the author's name. Here it is, as well as the publication date and the publisher. If I go back to Destiny Quest and I take a quick look at the additional information section, I can see some information about the publication of this book. And indeed, it was written by or published by Compass Points Book, and it was printed in 2001. So I know I found the right one, and I can click Cite This. Now it's going to prompt you to answer a few additional questions, and then click Create Citation. Here's the citation. You can take this, highlight it, and then go back to your note card and paste it into the source citation section on your note card. Now, as you're working through this process of citing all your sources, please feel free to ask me when you need some help, when you need some guidance in EasyBib, for example. Be sure to shoot me an email or stop by my office and we can work on this together. It can get a bit tricky, and it is important to give credit where credit is due. So, good luck, and let me know when you have questions.